Good morning, student. Welcome to the online mathematics class. Hi, I am Sandeep Sharma, and today I explain exercise 9.1, question number 4, 5th, and 6th. And then, after in the next video, we have to explain the remaining question how to solve this question in your exam. So, I start this video with the help of my first question, that is a question number 4. Okay, so you have to see on your screen. Question is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30, then find the height of a tower. This is a quite simple and easiest question. After reading this question, you have to know how to draw the figure of this question. So you very well know angle of elevation. What is the meaning of angle of elevation? You very well know, because in the class or by the online mode, sir is explained how to work with the angle of elevation in the some application of a trigonometry. Okay, so you very well know here the top of a tower is given, so that's mean tower is given here, so this is your tower. Okay, then after from the एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप, यहाँ पर ये टॉप है आपका टावर का, और इसका angle with the help of any point. Here is a point that is on the ground. Then after the angle of elevation with this point of this tower, of the top of this tower is 30. Okay, is 30. This is your 30 degree. So in this question you very well know that a tower is there and the top of the tower have to make an angle with the ground is 30 at the point. Okay, so you have to see this figure. This is a tower and this is your point where you are stay, and you have to see the top of the tower at this point. Okay, so this is your image of this question. So you have to clear this image, and the foot of the tower make the angle with the ground is 90. Clear? Okay, now you see that this is a right angle triangle. So with the help of a right angle triangle you have to solve this question. So you very well know AB is the tower and angle of elevation from the point of C is 30. Now this is a right angle triangle, so you have to use the property of a right angle triangle, just like a sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, etc. So many properties of a right angle triangle you are used here. So you have to find, first of all you search ke which value you have to find. So you have to find the height of a tower, means perpendicular you have to find, and what's value you have. This is a base is given, the foot and the point distance, the distance between the foot and point is given here, the 30 is here. So this is a base. So what is the relation between a perpendicular and base you have to find. So the relation of a perpendicular and base is this. Clear? Tan theta is equal to, what's value you have? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular, this is your perpendicular, and this is your base, this is your perpendicular upon this is your base BC. So AB upon BC. Now you have to put the value AB. AB is not there, you have to find it. So you have to write only the AB, and then after you have to put the value of BC. BC is 30, so you have to put here 30. Clear? So AB upon 30 is equal to, what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 value is 1 upon under root 3. Then after you have to put the value of 1 upon under root 3. So AB upon 30 is equal to 1 upon under root 3, and then after you have to do the cross multiplication with this situation, and then after you have to find the AB. AB is equal to 30 upon under root 3 and rationalize it. तो you have to multiply in the denominator and numerator both with the under root 3, and then this value converted into 10 under root 3 after rationalize this value. Clear? So you have to find the height of a tower is 10 under root 3 centimeter. So with the help of these things you have to find the answer or a height of a tower in this question. Okay, so I feel you understood how to work with this question. Now we have to explain the next question. Next question is this. Question number 5th. A kite is fly. A kite is fly at the height of 60 meter away from the ground. So this is your kite. You have to see this. This is your kite. Okay, so this is your kite. Here the kite is fly. The distance between the ground and kite is 60 meter. So this is your value 60 meter. The string attached to the kite, here the string is attached, so this is your string is attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. This is a point where the string is attached tightly, and the inclined on the string with the ground is 60. So this is an angle that make the string with the ground is angle is 60. So you have to find the length of string. That's mean this value you have to find. Okay, length of string you have to find. Assume that it is no slack in the string. Slack means कि कोई भी इसमें ढाल नहीं है, सीधी आ रही है, तो स्लैक को आपको नेगलेक्ट रख करके इसकी वैल्यू को फाइंड करना है. कि आपको बताना है कि हाउ मेनी स्ट्रिंग यू आर यूज्ड फॉर फ्लाइंग द काइट that kite have the distance with the ground is 60. Clear? So this is your question. Now you are understood what is the question and how to find the value of this value of the length of string. You very well know this is your hypotenuse and this is your perpendicular. So what is the relation between hypotenuse and perpendicular? You very well know the relation is sin theta. So this is the sin theta here. We have to use the sin theta relation here. So sin theta is equal to KL upon KP. KL upon KP. That's mean perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sin theta. Clear? Then after KL is 60 upon KP you have to find. So 60 upon KP is equal to root 3 upon 2. So that's mean KP is equal to, you have to do here the cross multiplication and find the answer. तो how to cross multiplication you have to do? तो KP की मल्टीप्लाई आपके पास अंडर रूट 3 से हो जाएगी. तो अंडर रूट 3 KP इज इक्वल टू 60 इंटू 2. तो दैट्स मीन KP इज इक्वल टू 120 अपॉन अंडर रूट 3. एंड देन आफ्टर यू हैव टू रेशनलाइज दिस वैल्यू. तो 120 अपॉन अंडर रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 अपॉन रूट 3 यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द, फॉर रेशनलाइज you have to multiply the root 3 in the denominator and numerator, and then after solve it, then you have to find the answer of KP, that is the value is 40 under root 3. So this is a way to find the value of the length of the string that is attached with the kite, and that kite is fly at the distance of 60 meter from the ground. Clear? Now you have to understood how to work with this question and how to solve this question in your exam. Clear? Now the next question we have to explain. The next question is, this is your next question. Question is, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at the same distance from a 30 meter tall building. तो यहाँ पर एक 30 मीटर टाल बिल्डिंग आपको गिवन है. तो 30 मीटर टाल बिल्डिंग आपको गिवन है. तो दिस इज योर बिल्डिंग, ये आपके पास पूरी बिल्डिंग है PQ. ओके, तो PQ इज ए बिल्डिंग एंड 1.5 मीटर लॉन्ग tall boy is there. So this is your boy, 1 AS is your boy and PQ is your building. Okay, then after this boy is see the top of the building. this boy see the top of the building just like that. So AP is formed here, and AP is make the angle with the building base, that is a 30. Okay, this is your 30. And then after, here the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increase from 30 to 60. यानी कि पहले आपके पास 30 था, देन आफ्टर अगर आप थोड़ा सा पास गए हैं बिल्डिंग के, तब आपका एंगल जो हो गया है वो 60 हो गया है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टूड ऑल दिस क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. मीन्स कि एक बिल्डिंग है, बिल्डिंग के पास में कोई लड़का खड़ा है जिसकी हाइट 1.5 मीटर है और वो बिल्डिंग के टॉप को देखता हुआ जा रहा है. सबसे पहले जब वो टॉप को देखता है तो उसकी जो एंगल है वो 30 का बनता है. देन आफ्टर वो थोड़ा डिस्टेंस कवर करता है तो उसका एंगल 60 का हो जाता है. यानी कि वो पास में चलता है, उसके बिल्डिंग के पास को चलता है तो उसका एंगल 60 का बन जाता है. एज ही वॉक टूवर्ड द बिल्डिंग, जब वो बिल्डिंग की तरफ चलता है. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ही वॉक टूवर्ड द बिल्डिंग, मतलब कितनी डिस्टेंस वो बिल्डिंग के पास को चला है ताकि उसका एंगल 60 बन जाए, ये आपको बताना है. तो क्वेश्चन आपको मैंने यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. क्वेश्चन अब आपको सिंपली समझ में भी आ गया होगा कि किस टाइप से आपको ये क्वेश्चन करना है. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पर अब आप देखेंगे, लेट द बॉय वॉज स्टैंडिंग एट द पॉइंट ऑफ एस. वी हैव टू सपोज कि बॉय इज स्टैंडिंग एट द पॉइंट ऑफ एस एंड ही वॉक टूवर्ड द बिल्डिंग. देन दैट द पॉइंट where you are stay and see the top of the building and make that 60 angle, that point is T. Clear? So it is observed that where we have to observe, what value you have to observe here, कि PR is equal to PR, this value P and R. PR is equal to PQ minus RQ. ओके, तो पी आर इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू माइनस आर क्यू, एंड देन आफ्टर यू हैव टू फाइंड द पी आर. ओके, तो यू वेरी वेल नो के व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एस वैल्यू इज 1.5 मीटर एंड पी क्यू वैल्यू इज 30. तो यू हैव टू फाइंड द पी आर. तो पी आर इज इक्वल टू 30 माइनस 1.5 मीटर, एंड देन आफ्टर व्हाट इज द वैल्यू यू हैव 28.5 meter, because the base of the building is made with the help of a eyes of the boy. Eyes of the boy is the base of the building. Just you have to suppose that things कि जो बेस होगा आइस का, आइस से जो बेस बनेगा, अगर आइस सीधी देखती, ऐसे करके देखती आइस, तो सीधा हो गया, तो ये इसका बेस हमने मान लिया है. तो इसके लिए हमें वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ती. तो जो हमारी वैल्यू 1.5 मीटर है वो हम कट कर देते हैं बिल्डिंग की टोटल लेंथ से. तो इसीलिए हमारे पास वैल्यू क्या बची? पी आर. अब हमारी एक्चुअल में बिल्डिंग है जिसको हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. तो पी आर इज इक्वल टू 30 माइनस 1.5, एंड देन आफ्टर यू हैव टू गेट द 28.5. दैट्स वैल्यू यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू 57/2 मीटर. ओके, देन आफ्टर what you have to find here, you have to find first of all this total value, and then after you have to find this total value. If you have to subtract this total value to this total value, then after you have to find this value. Again I will explain. If first of all you have to find the AR. First of all you have to find the AR, then after you have to find the BR, and if you find the AB, actually in this question you have to find the AB, value of AB. So how to find the value of AB? AB you have to find with the help of AR minus BR. Okay, so you first of all you have to use the triangle PRA. Okay, this is a triangle, and in this triangle angle R is a right angle triangle, so you have to use the sin theta cos theta rules in this shape. So you have to use the tan theta. So tan theta, that's mean theta is equal to 30. So tan 30 is equal to PR upon AR. PR upon AR. Now PR is, you have to find before it here, this is your PR. तो 57/2 or into AR equal to tan 30 value is 1 upon under root 3, and then after you have to do the cross multiplication and find the value of AR. So AR is equal to 57 upon 2 under root 3 meter. Then after you have to use this triangle. Okay, so triangle is PBR. So PBR you have to use in this triangle. You very well know angle R is a right angle triangle, so you have to use the tan theta sin theta properties. So we have to use here the tan theta because the relation is made with the perpendicular and base, so that relation is tan theta. So perpendicular upon base we have to use here, so that we what's value you have tan 60 is equal to PR upon BR, and then after PR value is 57 upon 2 and BR you have to write just like that, and tan theta tan 60 is equal to under root 3. Then after you have to do the cross multiplication and find the value of BR. So this is the value of BR, but you are not find this value, you have to find the AB. So how to find the AB? AB is equal to, see the picture here, AB is equal to AR minus BR. Okay, so AB is equal to AR minus BR. You have to use these things. So here this is an AB, so AB is equal to AR minus BR, and you have to put the value of AR, so 57 root 3 upon 2 minus BR 19 under root 3 upon 2, and this value is 38 under root 3 upon 2, and you have to divide the 38 with 2, that's value is 19 under root 3. So this is your value here. This is a 57 under root 3 upon 2, and this is a value is 19 under root 3 upon 2, that is the AR and BR value, and then after subtracting, and then after you have to get the 38 under root 3 upon 2, and you have to divide the 38 with 2, that's value is 19 under root 3, and this is a distance that is covered by the boy toward the building. Okay, so I feel you understood how to work with this question and how to do these question in your exam. So in the next video I will explain the next questions, and these question you have to write in your notebook properly. That's why you have to do the question or see the question in your exam, and no problem you have. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.